Did you know you can make a braid rack using rulers, guys? Yes, rulers. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how I made this DIY braiding rack, guys, using rulers and those plastics that are in front of nails, guys. Simple, easy, affordable, guys. So let's get into the tutorial. To make this rack, you are going to need 10 rulers or 11, yeah, but I used 10, and I got this $1 for $6. And you're also going to need these nails. I'm going to remove the plastics, those plastics, guys, I don't know what they are called, but the plastics only, that is what I used. And the nails, you can use it for something else, but I only wanted the plastics. And you're also going to need a glue gun that you're going to join everything together with, yeah. And then you're going to need this braid that I braided using wool, guys, just a 3-strand braid that I braided using wool. You're going to need that so that you can be able to hook your rack anywhere that you want to put it, yeah. So these are the rulers. Like I said before, they are 10. So I'm going to start off by attaching 3 rulers in this handle, DIY handle, the 3-strand braid that I made using wool. So I'm going to apply my glue right there on this ruler, and then I'm going to also apply it on the other ruler, and then I'm going to join the 3-strand wool braid and the other ruler, yeah. So just place your wool right there, and then on the other side, and then place the ruler on top, guys, to join everything together. And then you have your handle that you use to hook your rack, that 3-strand braid, guys. I just use, you can use any color that you want. You can use pink, you can use black, any color that you want, yeah. So just place it like that, and then I'm going to apply my glue again on both sides, and then I'm going to continue to apply my rulers on top of these 2 that I put underneath the base, yeah. So just continue, apply your glue, then place your ruler on top, apply your glue, then place your ruler on top. Make sure you do this as fast as you can, because this hot glue gun, it dries really quick. So make sure you do it quick, and then make sure you don't get burnt, because the glue is hot. So make sure you're careful when you're doing this. I'm just I wanted the clear ones, but they didn't have enough, so I just mixed pink and colorless. So you can also choose the colors that you want, and I'm using the centimeter side, I'm putting it on top, and the inches side, I'm putting it below, yeah. So just place it like that, and that is where the rulers ended. You can put 11 so that it will reach like the ends right there. So this is how it's looking. So for these plastics, guys, just apply your glue on top of the rulers, and then you're going to place it on top, yeah. So if you are slow, make sure you do it little by little, but if you are fast, you can apply the entire ruler and then place the plastics on top of it, guys. And also, this plastics is optional. I just thought of an idea, guys. And these nails have been around for a while in the house, so I decided to use them because, yeah, they were not working. So I just decided to do my DIY, and I thought of rulers and these, and I came up with an idea, guys. Let me know what you think about this idea in the comment section down below. It's really affordable, easy to make, guys, easy to make. So just continue applying your glue, and then you are going to place those plastics on top, guys. Quick, easy, simple, affordable. Yeah. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and join the family. Share this video if it was helpful to you, like, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, and thank you so much for each and every one of you who have been sharing my videos. I really appreciate your support. So I'm just going to continue to place the glue and then the nails on top.
Look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you.
So like I said before, I didn't have enough rulers. Right there I'm just going to do two of the plastics on each side. So just place them on top of your glue like that. But if you have 11 rulers, it will be enough to reach until the end, like to finish the entire row. So this is the final look, guys. It's looking cute, guys. It's looking cute. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. And I'm also going to show you how I place my braids. So just place them as easy as that, guys. You just have to hold both sides and then make sure there's a loop like this, guys. Hold it like so, hold both sides, and then that loop is where you're going to hook. It will be easier when you have a loop. It will be easier to hook your braid on your rake, guys. Let me know what you think about this cheap DIY idea. You know, braiding rakes are really expensive, but doing this, I had a total of 134 yeah, 134 plastics. So you can place your braids and you can do your hair without stress. Let me know what you think about this, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for always coming back. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Goodbye. I love you.